The future is here.
We would like to introduce the latest addition to our
digital frontier, the
HDD Hard Disk
Drive, a marvel
of modern technology brought to you by our best and brightest engineering team. 2 compact aluminum glass disk platters
dipped in a ceramic substrate comprise the main data portion of the hard disk drive. The read and write heads transform our magnetically stored data into electrical impulse understood only by the central processing system. Okay, let's pause it right there. Yes, the compact glass disk, or might I say the compact disc. Quite some time ago, we shifted over to polycarbonate rather than glass, but the concept is pretty much the same. You gotta keep in mind that those platters in your hard drive are really no different than the platters we use to listen to music on or watch movies on, what you call your CD or DVD. Okay, so why the heck am I even talking about this stuff? It's because these guys at Seagate, Toshiba, and Western Digital don't want to give me an RMA on my dead hard drive. I mean, geez. Apparently, they don't repair, quote, drives made and sold by other defunct manufacturers. Can you believe it? What a load of deep-fried rotten bananas. So here we are, left to repair our own disk drive, because the big guys don't want to help out the little guy, like me. Lucky for you, and lucky for me. Hard disk platters are simply refined compact disks. It's a simple fix. Don't worry, we're gonna go through it together. I'll step you right through it. You're just gonna need 3 things. A generic rotary tool, a marker, and a digitally remastered version of the 1986 Apex Scroll Awards recipient for Achievement in Sound Effects Cinematic Masterpiece, Top Gun, with Cyrillic subtitles. Of course. Now with all that, first, measure roughly the diameter of your hard disk drive. Jot that down. The more precise you can measure this, the more data you'll end up on the final disk. Now take that measurement and draw a circle on your digitally remastered version of the 1986 Apex Scroll Awards recipient for Achievement in Sound Effects Cinematic Masterpiece, Top Gun. Just like that. Perfect. Now we begin to carefully cut into our digitally remastered version of the 1986 Apex Scroll Awards recipient for Achievement in Sound Effects Cinematic Masterpiece, Top Gun. Very carefully with our generic rotary tool until we have a nice smaller disc. Now we're almost there, but not quite yet. We need to widen the hole of your digitally remastered version of the 1986 Apex Scroll Awards recipient for Achievement in Sound Effects Cinematic Masterpiece, Top Gun, so that it will fit in your disk drive. We will use a similar technique, so just watch. And perfect. All we need to do at this point is carefully place it back in the hard disk. And yes, looks like we're ready to go. And I give it a little test afterwards, and as you see, works perfectly. So yeah, Seagate, Western Digital, Toshiba, you can go eat your big pile of deep-fried rotten bananas. Exactly what you deserve for not supporting your defunct competitor's hardware. What are you guys up to? It's ridiculous. What a riot. For the rest of you, good day. Bye-bye.